So good day po sir. My name is John Ignacio Rojas and today is we're going to discuss this topic about the naming alkanes using IUPAC nomenclature from structural formula to correct a IUPAC name. So before we discuss this topic or proceed this topic, we have objectives which is parang hibawan na to ang ato discussion. First is learn the basic IUPAC rules for naming alkanes, and second, learn the basic IUPAC rules for naming alkanes, and 3, identify the longest carbon chain. Number 4, number carbon atoms correctly, and number 5, name substitute alkanes using IUPAC rules. So introduction. Organic chemistry is the study of carbon containing compounds. One of the simplest group of organic compounds is alkanes, which are saturated by hydrocarbon containing on single covalent bonds between carbon atoms. So, ang organic chemistry is nag-study siya sa about containing compounds, which is mo siya ang pinaka-simple nga groups of organic compounds, which is alkenes, no? Kini is kuan siya saturated which is single kuan na siya covalent, no, sa mga carbon atoms. To avoid confusion caused by common names, chemists use the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, which is the IUPAC system. Now, the IUPAC naming system gives every compounds a unique and universally accepted name. So the purpose of IUPAC name is para dili magsagol-sagol o dili magkalain-lain ang kanang pangalan, para dili ta malibog or misunderstanding. And understanding IUPAC nomenclature helps student identify chemical structures, commutable sa scientific information accurately, and study more complex organic compounds. So, what are alkanes? Alkanes are hydrocarbons composed only of carbon C, and hydrogen is H. Atoms connected by single bonds. We have general formula which is CnH2n plus 2. For example, we have so makita nimo diha natay number of carbons which is 106, and also we have molecular formula which is CH4, CH6, so C3H8 and so unsa may purpose, no? What are the purpose of that? So para mailhan mo na siya, no, like for example sa CH4 ang IUPAC name niya is methane, and sa CH2 ang IUPAC name niya is ethane, and also po sa 106 which is C6H14 gitawag sa nga hexane. Sunod is basic IUPAC rules for naming alkanes. So we have rule 1, which is define longest continuous carbon chain. The longest chain determines the parent name. So for example, CH3 and CH2 and CH3, mo na ang longest chain carbons, which is ang pangalan niya is butane or butane. Number the carbon chain, start numbering from the end nearest the first branch. This give substituents the low possible number. So unsay buot ipasabot. So ang pasabot ana is ang common substituent is CH3 which is methyl, and C2H5 is ethyl, and C3H7 is propane. So write the name, and the correct format is position, substituent, parent. Example, no? Not example is 2-methyl butane. So ngano nahimo mo na siya 2-methyl butane. So nahimo siya 2-methyl butane because nagkasunod-sunod iyang kwan or sa madaling nga istorya is ang iyang kwan is correct format iyang kwan, which is no, the position, substituent, and also po the parent name. Multiply identical branches of frexes. First is di, which is 2, and tri, which is 3, tetra, which is 4. For example, the 2 to, and ang iyahang kuan na uh, ma result is dimethyl propane. And now we have uh, 5 example, and now I will discuss the first example, which is example 1. So structure CH4, step 1 longest chain 1 carbon, step 2 parent name methane, and the answer is dimethane. So example 2, structure CH3, CH2, and CH3. Step 1, longest chain carbons 3. And step 2, parent name propane. So the answer is propane. So ang iyahang kuan parent name is propane. For the example 3, structure CH3, CH, and CH3, CH2, and CH3. Step 1 is the longest chain is nasa kuan 4 carbons, and the parent kuan niya is butane. And step 2, number nearest the branch. Step 3, branch methyl on carbon 2. The answer niya is 2 methyl butane. So the longest chain is the 4 carbon atoms, no? And the methyl branch is attached to the second carbon. So the correct AUPAC name is the methyl butane. The example 4, CH3, CH, and CH3, CH, CH3, and CH3. So step 1 is the longest chain niya kay 4 carbons. And the parent name niya is butane or butane. Step 2, branches at carbon 2 and carbon 3. Step 3 is 2 methyl groups. And the answer niya is 2,3-dimethyl butane. So there are too many groups attached to the parent chain to fix the indicates to identical substituents. And example 5, CH3, C, CH3, 2, CH3. So step 1 is the longest chain carbons is 3, and the parent name niya is the propane, and the answer niya is 2 ug 2 dimethyl propane, no? The parent chain has 3 carbons and both methyl groups are attached to the second carbon. And let's proceed, no, the last example structure. Natay CH3, C, CH3, 2, CH3. Step 1, we have the longest chain. Natay we have 3 carbons only. So kay 3 carbons man yang kuan or carbon atoms, so ang parent name niya is propane, no, propane. And step 2 is 2 methyl groups attached to carbon. So ang iyahang kuan, ang iyahang result is 2 ug 2, which is the dimethyl propane. So the parent chain has 3 carbons and both methyl groups are attached to the second carbon. So the AOPAC nomenclature is it's grabe yun kayo importante it because it's give kuan kanang better communication sa standards yung system for the organic compounds, and makatabang po ni para matama ang mga pangalan sa alkane, and kinahanglan po sundan po ang mga step, no, sa pagpangita og longest chain. And also especially sa mga number para matama ang mga number, and mailhan po ang mga substituents, and isulat po ang mga kuan complete AOPAC name. So that's all for kuan. Salamat, thank you sir, thank you so much po. So the lastly is the conclusion. So AOPAC nomenclature is the main international standard of naming organic compounds. Naming alkanes begins by identifying the longest carbon chain, numbering and chain correctly, locating substituent, and writing the complete name according to AOPAC rules. By the following this state, carefully anyone can accurately name alkanes compound. So sa conclusion is ang AOPAC nomenclature or AOPAC names is sama sa kung dingon niya mo ni ang kanang standard sa system sa mga pangalan sa organic compounds, no. Para makatabang sa mga saktong nga ngalan or the correct name of alkanes, and kinahanglan po nato ni sundon nga mga ways, no, para mapangitan nato ang longest chain i-number na to, like example, i-number na to. So tama gyud siya, no? Because we have guide, no, and we have idea para kung sa gina sila ba. And ilho na to mga substituents o gisulat ang complete yupak name. So para to, thank you so much, sir. My name is John Ignacio Rojas, and I am from BSE Tosi. Thank you, sir.